the said Chijoke, who has now reached this undertaking that he will be of good behavior, went and personally created an office for himself, a self-acclaimed office. He individually announced himself as the acting chairman, an office or a position that is unknown to the Youth Council of Nigeria. We love, as members of the State Executive Council, we called him as a brother. We said, my brother, you are misfired. This is unknown to us. You took hold of office as the deputy chairman, acting chairman. Who gave you oath? He told us that he's going to apologize. Lord, you as I speak. No apology, but we discovered that this same person is parading all over River State as acting chairman. Because we are law-abiding youth leaders, voluntary youth organizations, state executive officers, we set up a three-man panel inviting him. He also failed to appear. Why he should not be suspended or expelled. And as I speak to you, the State Executive Council has resolved, and here is the notice of suspension of Ambassador Chijoke Imomo by the State Executive Council. They have decided to bring it to your notice.
No, this one is our own resolution.
This is a letter meant to the members, management committee. Thank you. So we are saying this is our own decision or resolution. Following the resolution reached at the State Executive Council meeting held on the 2nd day of September 2018 at number 7 to Major Street, shared location of Ugoba by Ada George Road, Oaxaca. And in compliance with the oaths of office and oaths of allegiance sworn by the State Executive Council members, with the aim to defend the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and their